Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I will try to make this part in SolidWorks. So without any delay in video, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that you receive the upcoming videos notification to you people. Right now I am opening my SolidWorks. Okay, actually I'm going to show you how can you make this part. Okay, so be with me. Come to file, new, click on part. Okay, choose the front plane, make a sketch, draw a center rectangle, assign the width as 40 millimeter and length of 50 millimeter. Assign dimension, this is 40 millimeter, this line has length of 50 millimeter. Okay, now I'll extrude it up to 60 millimeter. Extrude it up to 60 millimeter. Check OK. Now I will make these two portions having entire hole of 10 diameter and the bigger circle has a radius of 15. For that I will choose this face, sketch, make it normal, draw a line, again come to this point, so your line will be directly converted to arc. Okay, now assign the dimension, this is 20, this has a radius of 15. Now this is well defined. Okay, now I will mirror this entity. For that I need a center line over here. Now come to mirror entity, and entities to mirror is this one, and mirror about, I will mirror this entity about this center line. Okay, now come to feature and extruded boss base, but just take an isometric view, so just flip the direction, and here you must extrude it at up to 10 millimeters. Here assign the dimension 10 millimeters and make sure merge result is checked. Okay, now we have to make these two holes of diameter 10. For that select this face, make it make it normal, draw two circles, one is over here and one is over here. Assign the dimension, diameter is 10 of this circle, same for this one. Check OK. Come to feature and extruded cut. This time I will select through all. Okay, now actually you can see 90% of our part is prepared. So after this, to make this extruded taper cut, for that I will select a plane parallel to this face at a distance of 10 millimeter. Okay, now come to reference geometry, select a plane, and here just lift offset, and here already by default 10 has taken. Now I will select this plane, make sketch, make it normal, draw a line from here to here. Okay, now smart dimension from this point to this point has a distance of 10 millimeter. Same for these 2 points, these also have 10 millimeter. Okay, now just take it an isometric view. Okay, come to extruded cut, and extruded cut of, as you can see, this is 30 millimeter. So here just put 30. Okay, now I will hide this plane. You can see our part is well defined right now. Just assign some color for the whole body. This time I will select this color and check OK. Or either you can select from here as well, and appearance. Okay, you can assign plastic metals, each and everything. I hope you like this video. If you have any trouble, just post in the comment sections. I will reply for that. If you are new on my channel, again I request you to please subscribe my channel, because of you we can get up, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.